In this video, I'll be replacing the dirty cabin air filter in this first generation Nissan Titan. This is also the same for the first gen Armada and QX56. If your model is equipped with a cabin air filter, there'll be a label at the upper right corner of the glove box. Nissan recommends replacing the filter every 15,000 miles or 12 months, whichever comes first. If you're experiencing low airflow, this is one of the first things to check. I'll put a link to where you can buy a replacement filter in the description below. The only tools required are an 8mm socket and driver. Let's get started by taking out the contents of the glove box compartment. Closing it and moving to the bottom side, remove the two hinge pins. These pins are fairly easy to remove with just your fingers. They should slide inwards on each side. After removing the hinge pins, carefully open the glove box and disconnect the soft open damper cable by sliding the plastic clip out of the groove on the right side of the glove box. With the glove box out of the way, you can now see the HVAC filter access panel on the right side of the opening. Use the 8mm socket to remove the screw at the bottom, then lift the panel off of the tabs at the top and get it out of the way. The filter opening is blocked on one side, so thankfully it's split into two separate filters. First, take out the filter on the left, then slide the right filter over and take it out as well. As you can see, it was certainly time to replace it. Before inserting the new filter, check the airflow direction arrow to make sure it's pointing down towards the blower motor. Now insert the first new filter, slide it over to the right, then insert the other new filter. Reinstall the access panel by hooking it on the tabs at the top and tightening the 8mm screw at the bottom. Grab the glove box and reattach the soft open damper cable on the right side. Now press it back on to the latch at the top to hold it in place while you grab the hinge pins for the bottom. The pin on the right is slightly easier to get back in, but you may find it necessary to adjust the position of the hinge slightly until the pin slides into place. On the left side, the hinge is slightly more recessed from the front edge. Now that the hinge pins are reinstalled, check the operation of the glove box. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel if you're not already. Check out my Titan playlist for all of my Nissan Titan related videos.